Hi guys, it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over Bosu ball side-to-side hops. So to start off, you're going to grab a Bosu ball, place it on the ground, and then you're going to stand next to the Bosu ball. You can stand directly next to the ball, or you can stand a little bit off to an angle. That's completely up to you. So now you're going to place one foot on top of the Bosu ball just in the center. We are going to hop to the other side of the Bosu ball while switching our feet in motion. So you're going to squeeze your core tight. You can hold your hands together, or you can just let your hands be free. I think it's a little awkward if you don't hold your hands. So clasp your hands together, place one foot in the center of the Bosu, and then you're going to hop from side to side. Make sure to keep your chest upright and your core tight throughout the whole range of motion. And that is a Bosu ball side-to-side hop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!